This story is so much bigger than a security camera E-2 story because it's about a smart college student that's able to identify a business opportunity, work hard, and make his dream come true. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph. I'm the managing partner here at Tsang and Associates, where we solve legal problems with creative solutions. So this college student didn't have a lot to invest. He was interning at a security camera business, and he was learning the ins and outs of buying a camera and installing it for a house or a business. And as he was going through the orders and learning about the entire trade, he realizes something completely bizarre. The cost to buy a security camera is extremely low. And then to install it is extremely high. And then people want to hire somebody to install these security cameras, yet nobody's doing it. Why? Is it because it's so hard? No, it takes 20 minutes or less, and that includes taking off your shoes when you get into the house. At the same time, this international student noticed something else. Americans spend so much money and effort and energy during holidays to decorate their homes. The lights during Christmas and the balloons and the blow-ups and all sorts of decor. And then within a few weeks, they take it all down and they completely do it again for something else. The labor cost and time to put everything up is not that much. To take everything down is not that much, but every family seems to need it and people are willing to pay, but nobody's really doing it. That's a market opportunity. So what he did was to create a business where he has a self-storage inside full of these security cameras and lights and various things that he's able to service to put up for people in need. Each city will have its own self-storage full of these supplies. And then whoever needs it, he created this beautiful website that's fairly easy. And then whenever a client books something, he's able to find a handyman that's able to do it very cheaply. The handyman gets to keep majority of the profit, so the handyman is extremely happy. But now he has his full-fledged business in every single city. The revenue is huge. The employee count is huge, and his E-2 visa is secured. He has no stress, and the revenue greatly covers his salary and much more. And to the point where he's able to hire another full-time secretary just for himself to manage everything. And so now, with his insight, he essentially created a visa category, allowing him to stay in the US indefinitely for the rest of his life because it is a self-running business and there's a passive income cash flow. And he really doesn't have to worry about anything. As new technology comes in, you need somebody to learn it, to use it, and then to service people for it. So unless every new technology and new product that comes out comes with a service, well, his business is going to thrive. Maybe Amazon will eventually provide this, but in the meantime, I think he's got it good. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.